Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video as usual we will be doing the daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, October 28th. We have tentative high impact news plan for Japanese yen related currency pairs at 6 AM. Then we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs at 6 PM. And at 7:30 PM we have medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and from the daily time frame we know that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend because it is trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame. And we also know that this level of 1614 is acting as a very strong support because we have noticed the price to retrace up to this support level and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again it came near to this support level, and again we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So from this price action we understand that this level is a very strong support level where the price action has to break the support level in order to start its bearish side trend reversal. And currently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways momentum within this support level and the resistance line from the daily time frame. When we look at the current trend of the price action within this area over here, I am drawing a support line or a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame. And based on this trend line, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend within this support line and the resistance line. So if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance is going to be the daily time frame resistance line over here. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks this trend line, it will be the start of the bearish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the Fibonacci's levels, from this level we have noticed a price action to fall on the bearish side retracement. Again from the level of 1616 we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. It is not a trend reversal, it is a retracement of the fall it has made previously. And this level of 50% and 61.80 and 78.60 are very important resistance levels. And currently we have noticed a price action to take resistance at the 50% retracement level from the Fibonacci's level and to bounce back and to take support on the trend line or the support line. So only when the price action breaks this resistance level we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracements. Again we have the very strong resistance level of 61.80 level, which is also the very strong resistance level according to the Fibonacci's tool. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1673 and 1660. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1660 if you want to take trades on the bearish side. Next level of support is going to be around 1643 and 1616. And only when the price action breaks this support level we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1673, which is also the 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement tool, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1686 and 1705. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the trend of the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a bullish trend because it is trading above this trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the price action at this area in the past, we have noticed it to consolidate within this area, then to continue with bullish side trend. Here also when the price action tries to break the support line, we have noticed it to consolidate within this area over here, then to continue its bearish trend. So all this area between 1673 to 1660 had acted as a very strong support and resistance zone. So if the price action wants to continue its current bullish trend, it has to break this resistance zone in order to trend further on the bullish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values within this red color and blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1664 and support level of 1656. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1656, next level of support is going to be around 1652, 1646, 1639 and 1631. And below we have the higher time frame support level of 1616. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1664, next level of resistance 1673, and we have important resistance level in hourly time frame which is around 1678 and 1684. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to taking support on this trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. So looking at the past price action, we have noticed it to trend on the bearish side, which is also the flag pattern we say. Then to bounce on the bullish side, again it is forming a flag pattern. So once the price action gives a breakout from this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. And if the price action breaks this support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame also. But for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this support line from the 4 hours time frame. So I would recommend you to draw resistance lines like this, and once the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side, you can go on a bullish side trade, or if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, you can take trades on the bearish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color and blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. I marked the important resistance levels in red color boxes. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1663 and support level of 1660. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1660, next level of support is going to be around 1654. And if the price action breaks the support level, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1646. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1663, next level of resistance is going to be around 1669, 1673, 1677 and 1683. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So I am in 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the trend of the price action in 15 minutes time frame, it is on a bearish trend trading within this bearish channel pattern. And we have the very important trend line, and if the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the bearish channel pattern to continue in 5 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 5 minutes time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1662 and support level of 1660. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1660, next level of support is going to be around 1657, 1654 and 1650. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1662, on the bullish side, next level of resistance is going to be around 1665 and 1670. And next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1673. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.